Yes, sir. Man, hold on, man. Let me turn that daggone light off. What that? Man, God, dog, that light bright. Let me turn it off right quick. Hold on, y'all. Hey, but look, while I turn it off, they go power though. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Okay, now I'm back. Let's get it, yo. Squad. Yeah, sir. Hey, man. I want to appreciate any and everybody, man, that's coming to, look at this video. About to bring something real type epic to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Time to go all the way up. What's going on there now? All right. Time to go all the way up there. So, turn it up a little bit. Yeah, I had thought processes, you know what I'm saying, coming to the head. So first and foremost, as y'all see, man, it's raining again. Hey, the grind ain't gonna stop, man. I gotta do this, bring it to y'all. Hey, man, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title. Let's go make this happen, man. You know what I'm saying? But first, I could do it today. Yes, sir, I could do it today. So y'all know what I could do. Power, waking.
3, 2, 1.
Mr. Organic Style. Yes, sir. Boy, that's some Miami cold start for you right there. Y'all see that? Y'all see the lights too? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, cold. I think somebody had commented to me and say, yo, the co-star never get old. I definitely agree with you. But without further ado, man, let's get right on into it. Yes, sir.
Hey, man, I'm gonna let Nip talk to you.
I'm prolific, no gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get it, no kidding. Bring it down, push in front of your belly. Stay rockin' steps, feelin' what I'm feelin'. Last night it was a cold chillin'. Gotta keep the devil in his hole.
This ain't over.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it, man. Right directly behind me, man. Jaguar, Charlotte, over here on 74. Shout out, man, to Jeff, the sales manager, for letting me make this monumental video for y'all, man. This car review. Like I said, man, I gotta bring nothing but the new to y'all, you know what I'm saying? So right now I'm about to introduce y'all to something that's new. Like I said, y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title, man, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, oh, yeah. We've been friends for so long. You never ever did me wrong. Stood by me when I was at my worst. You always held me down, even when I couldn't see what was best for me. How the young boys didn't appreciate my heart. And you told me, girl, you worth more and you deserve better. Don't ever let nobody tell you this. It's time I decide to do what is right. You're the one I'm waiting for. Glad you came around, show me something new. You appreciate my worth, and you call me your queen, and I call you my king. I never thought that you would be my love story. Hey, my love story. Hey, my love story. That's just how it goes, you'll never know. Hey, my love story. Hey, my love story.
all of my queen. We put our heads together, we can amount to anything. Even through bad weather, like Mariah Carey sing. We belong together. I'm talking about together like Jay and Beyonce, D-Wade and Gabby. We even belong together like Eminem and Kim way before Haley. That's my baby. Sing it for me, Queen. Glad you
came around. Show me something new. You appreciate my work, and you call me your queen, and I call you my king. I never thought that you would be my love story. My love story, my love story. That's just how it goes. You never know. That's just how it goes. My love story, my love story. That's just how it goes. You never know. I can't help the way I feel when you're with me. That's where I wanna be. Said I can't help the way I feel when you're with me. That's where I wanna be. Glad you came around. Show me something new. You appreciate my work, and you call me your queen, and I call you my king. I never thought that you would be my love story. My love story, my love story. That's just how it goes. You never know. That's just how it goes. My love story, my love story. That's just how it goes. You never know. That's just how it goes. You may never know, but that's just how it goes. You may never know. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir, man. I hope y'all like that video right there, man. Like I say again, shout out to Jaguar, my man Jeff, man, for giving me that opportunity to let me do that video, man. Monumental, man. And that F-type was type monumental. As y'all see, man, me and the F-type was matching, you know what I'm saying? So I had to hit y'all off with that thumbnail. But, yo, same day. This is a different video, so stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Sweat. Tears.
Oh my gosh, that man ain't playing.
Another day, another dollar. Every 24, I'm thinking money